So we're at the old Central Mine. Take a minute to read a little bit about it. So we're at the old Central Mine. The visitor center is behind us in that building. We're about to go in and see what that's like. And we're going to see what kind of roads, where they'll bring us and everything. I mean, this area was a boom town at one time because of the copper mines. Over 1,200 people at one time, and now I guess there's a lot of abandoned buildings, so we'll see what they have to say.
Kind of a ghost town, I think.
Yeah. Hey, and if you couldn't tell, we're in the UP again.
Still.
Yeah, still. That's where the powwow was in Baraga, too. So we'll catch up with you later. Well, this is a visitor center.
You got the church found Santa Claus emerging from a ceiling door.
This building here goes way back. This is what it used to look like through time.
Imagine, if you will, a time when Central was a town of some 1,250 people, vibrant and noisy with life as it went about the business of mining. In 1993, the Keewenaw Historical Society, realizing Central's importance as one of the few ghost mining towns left in the nation, bravely bought 38 acres upon which sat 11 buildings in varying states.
I just love places like this where you can get inside and see some old history. Got a little wall here with windows so you can look into the rooms. But there isn't any interpreters here, so I can understand why they would do that. So that was the kitchen. This is the dining room. And this is the parlor over here. Old miner's house. Check out how narrow these stairs are.
And steep.
And steep. Bedroom. And this bedroom's in the front of the house upstairs. There's a familiar face over there. Here's a little shot of these stairs. Then when you're walking down the stairs, of course, you wind up into this. And if I didn't duck, I would certainly hit my... So every building out here's got a number. This building here is number 61, typical miner's house. So that's why I brought you through it. And I think we'll hop in the truck and take a drive up to see, where some of these other buildings are, if we can get to them by the road. So That's where we're off to now. So this Historical Society has bought like 30 some acres of land here, and they're restoring all of these old buildings. And this is the church. So this is another miner's house. And here's the view again. And some of these other pictures, you know, this wooded area right below us wouldn't even have been here. And there's that church. Stop. Here's another view, standing at the back door of this red house. And we're in the kitchen. This is that red house you just saw.
Huh. Fireless cooker. Oh.
Fireless cooker.
It's a modern day crock pot.
I don't know if you heard, Diane, modern day crock pot. Oh, there we go. Chemises. Oh boy. Sorry about that. On the back porch. Here, I'll see if I can get that same view out this window that we had before. There we go. Wouldn't the building inspector flip out if he saw you building some stairs? I know you can't see it from here, but that same view is out that window. And I just love that glass. You probably can't notice that either, but you know, it's that defective glass that's thin and thick and
Wavy
and gives you a little bit of a distortion. You can hear that breeze. Trees rustling. Boy, what a beautiful spot. Check out this old telephone pole. I'm sure it was probably electric, maybe telephone too. There you go. Here you go. Here's some old logs from a log boom that was used to float large numbers of logs on Lake Superior. Check out the sizes of those, will ya? Now this is kind of a neat house because you can rent it. Nice yard. So this way to the powder house. I don't think we're that far from it, but I'll walk up a ways and see if I can find it. I'm not gonna walk a bunch of mileage here because my knee's killing me, but it's like I gotta see this thing. And I think I found a shorter way to get to it. It was like 1.4 miles through a trail. So I drove down some road and hey, there it is. This is cool. So this is where they kept their powder when they were blasting for the copper. I gotta go in here now. Yep. Oh, this is awesome history. It just really is. See how thick the walls would have been? Oh man. This is just great. Gotta watch what I'm doing so I don't trip with the camera. Get a view from this other side. Yeah. There we go. Now we can see we saw the powder house too. That's cool. There's really nothing else around here. I suppose they had it that way though. You know, store it where if it did go up, you know, it couldn't take a bunch of housing with it. That'd be a smart thing, right? Well, I hope you like that. That was worth the walk. And hey, it's only about 60 feet off the road. So we hope you liked our tour of the Central Mine.
I know we had a really good time.
Yeah, we didn't see much mine, but we saw a lot of houses, hey?
Oh, that was so awesome. We just loved, you know, exploring the old houses, and we're just in our element doing that.
It's all history.
Yep. It's what we're all about.
If you mention something like this, we gotta go see it.
Yep.
So, hope you enjoyed it, and we're off. We'll catch you again.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.